Good evening. On this edition of WTF FML, we discuss how the fuck was it so nice yesterday and today is just a piece of shit. It's cold and it's raining and, oh, it must be my Friday. Woohoo. Um, no, but really, I haven't wrote a song about it. I really haven't, but I'm feeling the rain. You know, I'm really feeling it. It's really fucking inspiring. It's really inspiring. Yesterday was so sunny, it made me feel as if I could come. But today was all shades of gray, and I gave up. And so I said to the rain, rain, fuck yourself, go fuck yourself, you rain. Don't you know how you fucking affect my brain? The goddamn rain. Thanks for giving me water. I never asked for it, but I'd appreciate it if you were sleeping by my bed. And I woke up hungover and thirsty, but I'm not. So rain, go fuck yourself, fuck off. Just fuck off, why don't you fuck off? Rain, really, go fuck yourself. Trying to get my summer started here, Rain. Man. Yeah, it's Friday, and it's like, oh, welcome to Friday. I'll piss on you. I mean, I know, everything can't be about me. I understand that. That's why it's funny. See what I did? I just painted a smile on my face. Now I'm happy. Well, good. That concludes this episode of WTF FML. Nothing too shocking to say today. I'm just, the rain, man. It just sucks. I want it to be nice and sunny. I'm sad. Okay, well, good. Everybody have a good night and a brilliant, what is tomorrow? Brilliant Wednesday. Thursday, don't forget, Vampire Diaries coming up, another new one. This one, Stefan goes mental. It's great. I already know it. So, good. Peace out. See you on the flip side. Adios.